Hello friends, my name is Anand and today my topic is what is test cases. In my previous video, I have explained what is test scenario. So friends, before watching this video, I request you to watch that previous video that explain what is test scenario. If you watch that previous video before this video, you will easily get some point that comes from the previous video. So friends, let's start today's topic. What is test cases? Friends, it is basically explained that how to test. It means that if somebody asks you what is test cases, then the first thing that must comes in your mind is that how to test. So if you talk about the definition, it its definition says that a test case is a set of conditions under which a tester will determine if a requirement upon an application is fully satisfied or partially satisfied. There are few important points about test cases that you can also include within the definition or within the topic of the test cases. The first point is that it is given as an input to test whether functionality is working fine or not. Next one, test cases consist of a set of input values, execution, preconditions, and expected results developed to cover certain test conditions. Test cases are derived from the test scenario. Next one, test cases represent a single action by the user. Last one, test cases are set of input and output given to a system. So friends, this is the explanation that what it is test cases. What is the definition? Here I have written down all the point. This is definitions and here are all the 5 important points. So friends, what are the element of test cases? If somebody asks you that what is test cases and what are the elements of test cases, so now you can easily explain that what is test cases. Now let's move to the element of test cases. Basically friends, there are 15 element of test cases that are, the first one is the test suite ID. Here it is, the ID of the test suite to which test case belongs. Second, test case ID, the ID of the test case. Test case summary, the summary or objective of the test cases that explain the objective, why we are doing this type of testing. Fourth point, related requirements. Fifth point, prerequisites. Sixth point, test procedures. 7, test data. 8, expected result, what are the expected result of the test cases. And 9th, actual result, what are the actual results. Status, test cases fail, pass, or executed or not executed. 11th, remark, any comment on test cases, any special point that the tester want to specify. 12th point, created by, date of creation. 14th, executed by. 15th, date of execution. These are the 15 elements. First one is the test suite ID. Basically this ID of the test suite to which the test case belongs. Test case ID, test summary, related requirements, prerequisites, test procedures. What procedure are you going to follow? Test data, expected result, what will the expected result, what is the actual result, what is the status of the test, it's a pass, fail, or executed or non executed, remark, any special comment on test case, created by, date of creation, who created and on which date it is created, executed by whom, or date of execution. So friends, these are the 15 elements. Now let's move to the next part, types of the test cases. Friends, basically there are two types of test cases. First one is the high level test cases and second one is the low level test cases. These two types are also very important. Basically asked in the interviews, what is high level test cases and what is low level test cases. So friends, firstly I will explain high level test cases. Friends, high level test cases are those which cover major functionality in the application, like functionality related to test cases, database test cases. Or in simple word, if I take a calculator, then the major functionality of the calculator is to calculate. So the high level test cases must be written on the calculation part of the calculator. Second one, low level test cases, the second type. Friends, low level test cases are those which are related to user interface related test cases. User interface means you can say the display related. So friends, this is all about test cases. In this video I have explained what is test cases, definition, important point about test cases, what are the element of test cases, and what are the types of test cases. So friends, if you like my video, please like it, comment it and share it. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you will get the notification of the next video. So friends, if you have any kind of question, any kind of query related to this video or any further video, then you can write your comment. I will give you the answer as early as possible. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.